It's sunny outside. This is my two 6-volt golf cart batteries connected in series to make a 12-volt battery bank. And my battery bank is connected to my 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter. And right now you can hear the fans running. That's because it is powering my refrigerator. The cable runs to my refrigerator. So I'm running my refrigerator off of solar. My solar charge controller. Drawing 80 to 90 watts off of my solar panels right now to power my refrigerator. Well, to charge my battery bank, and my battery bank is powering my refrigerator. That's the fan running. When it draws a lot of current off of my battery bank, my inverter's fan starts to kick in. Over there you can see my solar panels on the top of my truck, my Explorer, and I got cables running all the way back to my apartment.